أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا قيل لهم تعالوا إلى ما أنزل الله وإلى الرسول رأيت المنافقين يصدون عنك صدودا. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 61. This ayat is also connected with the previous ayat. So when two persons, they were having dispute between them, and they came to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam decided in favor of Jew. That time the other person, whose name was Bashar, he was Munafiq, hypocrite. He was not satisfied with the decision of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He said, the Jew person, come with me, we are going to Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, because I am not satisfied here. So Jew person, he was agreed. Then they came to Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So when they came to Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and the Jew person, he explained the whole situation, and he said that Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam already decided in favor of him. And when Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he confirmed from the Bashar, the other Munafiq person, he said yes. So then Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he said, don't worry, stay here, I'm coming back. He came back with his sword and killed the hypocrite person. So this is the incident which was continued, and same like this other incidents were coming at the time of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, because the people who were Munafiqeen, they were not happy with the Islamic court. They were not to get the justice. They want to get the justice according to their own mind, just to give bribery and take justice in their favor. This way they were not to come before Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam or before the court of Islam. So we read this, we will understand more better, inshallah. So Allah said in this ayat, وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ, and when it is said to them, تَعَالَوْا, come, إِلَى, towards مَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ, what have been sent down to you, like Holy Quran, وَإِلَى الرَّسُولِ, and come to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, رَأَيْتَ الْمُنَافِقِينَ, then you will see these munafiqeen, يَسُدُّونَ عَنْكَ صُدُودًا. So you will see these hypocrites turning away from you in aversion. So they will be like a disliking. So they are not good person, not good Muslim, because they were from their heart, they accepted Islam, but they have not attested Islam with their heart. They have done iqrar bil lisan, but they have not done tasdeeq bil qalb. This way they were not with iman. So these munafiqeen, when they are invited, okay, come to Quran or Sunnah, so they hesitate to come. They try to turn away from different way through having different tactics. So even you can, if you want to examine them, you can tell them, we want to bring Islamic rules, regulations in our country. Okay, you try to help us in this cause. You will see they will never come to you, because they don't want Islamic rules, regulation comes to the country. Otherwise, how they will get their own decision of their own problems? They can get the decision according to their own favor, just giving out some bribery. So how it will be possible to get this type of surprise? So they will not be able to get that. So this way Islam is giving that complete justice. So at the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when it was said to the munafiqeen that you have to bring your all disputes and problems before the court of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so they were turning away with different tactics. So they were not to come, and they were trying to go to Taghut just for decision of their problems, because they were thinking that that is the place where they can give bribery to get the decision in their favor. But in Islam there is no bribery. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ar-Rashi wal Murtashi kilahuma finnar." The person who give or take bribery, both are the people of hell. So this way in Islam there is no bribery, no any other way of hook or by crook. So there is only straight way justice. So when this munafiq person Bashar, who was killed by Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu, his family people, they came to Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they said he went with the Jew person to Umar bin Khattab so that Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu make a reconciliation between two persons. But that was no reconciliation. That was the decision that was made by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and this person was denying that. And Jibril alayhi salam, he came to tell Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that this is the decision what is made by Umar bin Khattab radiallahu ta'ala anhu. So that way he has got the title Farooq, the person who can bring the difference between the haq and batil, between the truth and the lying. MashaAllah. And keep in mind that time the people, they were trying to go to those people where they were just to get the decision according to their own mind. Just they were trying to go Ka'b bin Ashraf. He was from the Jew person. He was corrupt person. He was to take bribery and giving decision according to the amount of bribery from where more bribery is coming. And also Abu Barza Aslami Kahin, he was also the person like this. So Islam is the religion of justice and peace. So if you want to maintain peaceful situation with complete justice in your society, MashaAllah, you will see the beautiful religion that is Islam. This way, if you want to bring your disputes before Islamic court, you will get the decision according to justice. You will have no problem at all. But the people who were going to Taghut mean those people or those organizations which decide other than Islamic rules regulations. So those people, they are under the influence of Shaitan, and Shaitan tries to bring the people in astray to mislead them from the right path and take them to that place far away where is no way to come back. This way Shaitan wants that the people should come to me and we should go into the hell together with that person. This way, just keep in mind that Iman and Nifaq, these are two things. The faith and hypocrisy, these are two opposite. So how can you find this? You will find the people at the time of problem. When someone has dispute, if the person is going straight way to Islamic court, mashallah, that is good person. If the person is going straight way to the Taghut court, understand there is something wrong in that, so that is hypocritical behavior. So this way, hypocrisy is the hidden kufr, and Islam is reality from inside and from outside. So Islam is reality which brings before the person real light of success that leads a person of success in this world and the world hereafter. Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.